Hey girl, okay, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you this super cute hairstyle. Girl, you know I'm a sucker for kinky straight units because it resembles my natural hair straightened so well. But this unit, like what? It's so natural looking, it's crazy. So definitely keep on watching to see all the details. Okay. So I actually already did a video for this company a while ago, and I'm gonna leave the video here on the screen somewhere. You can click on it, you can watch it. This was a bob and you can see how cute this is. So they sent me some more here, and the company that I'm talking about is Asteria here. So they have a ton of ready to go, affordable, good quality, budget friendly, easy to install units. Like, I know because I tried some of their hair and it's amazing, especially for the price. The quality is incredible. Okay, so that's why I feel comfortable to share this with you girls again, and give you some advice. If you're looking for budget friendly options with amazing quality, definitely check out their website. All the links and the hair details are in the description box. So if you're looking for specific links to the unit that I'm gonna wear today, check out my description box. Okay, so like I said, this unit is from Asteria here, and they sent me some goodies as well, such as a silk bag, some eyelashes, and some extra wig caps, edge control brush, and a elastic band to lay down my wig. But honestly, I don't need all of that because this is how the unit is looking straight out of the box. See that hairline, it's incredible. So this is a 5x5 lace closure unit. The hairline is impeccable because it's pre-plucked. Okay, the knots are bleached already. This is straight out of the box, so you can literally put this on your head and you're good to go. There's an elastic band in the back. The unit feels extremely comfortable on your head. There are extra combs, for some extra security. And yeah, this is how the hair is looking. It's super thick and fluffy, so I'm excited to try it out. So what makes this unit a must-have? For starters, this 5x5 lace closure unit is 100% glueless. Like, the installation process is a breeze. You don't need any glue. There's no mess. There's no stress, girl. Let's be honest. So you don't need any skills to put it on. Even if you're trying a wig for the very first time, you'll find it incredibly user-friendly. As you can see, like, this is real time. I just put it on and I'm done. Girl, I'm done. I can go out the door like this, and I will. But still, like, I'm done. How amazing is that? Honestly, girl, that's why I love these glueless pre-cut units so much, because you'll save time, but you'll also save money. You don't need to go to the salon. You don't need to pay the stylist, because with these type of wigs, you can just achieve an amazing, flawless, gorgeous look in minutes, literally in your own home. No more going to the salon and doing all the extra stuff. No glue, no nothing. That's more time for you and more money in your pocket. Let's be honest, we're all balling on a budget here. So yeah, it's a win-win. And this is the hair in the natural state, but you can straighten this unit, you can curl this unit. So I'm gonna straighten this hair a little bit more just to make it a little bit less poofy, even though the poofy look is so cute already. I'm just gonna use my flat iron and show you the finished result, and you will see in a second how the end results look. So I'm gonna show you why I like to flat iron kinky straight unit. As you see, there's like a small difference. It's not a lot, but it's just less poofy, which resembles my own hair straightened a lot. So that's why I always do this for kinky straight units. They blend the most effortlessly with your own natural hair. Even if you have this type of hair in clip-ins or in a U-part wig or a V-part wig or a half wig or a ponytail, kinky straight units is just, it's something you need to have in your wig collection. Can you see the body? Can you see the shine of this hair? Incredible, right? The volume is just, I love it. And it flows so natural. And this hair is not heavy at all. It looks a lot and it looks heavy, but it's as light as air. You don't feel this sitting on your head. So that's always a plus. Even though it's a long unit, it's very lightweight and I really like that. And like I said earlier, this unit is 100% glueless. You see, I'm just lifting the lace and there's no glue, no nothing. I'm saving my edges because I have no products or whatever on my head, and it still looks even more natural than if I would use a spray or glue, whatever. So yeah, like, this is a 4K camera and I cannot lie. The hairline is just incredible. It looks so good and natural. I love the transparency of the lace because it matches with every skin tone. And yeah, this is the end result. Cute, right? Oh my gosh. So let me know down below if you like this unit, and thank you so much for watching this video, girl. I appreciate it as always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.